birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is tomorrow. It is Social Harmony Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the Gram Uday se Bharat Uday Abhiyan from Mahou in Madhya Pradesh. It is a program that will last till the 24th of April, which is Panchayati Raj Day, with the aim of building social harmony. The lifelong politics and economics of Dr. Ambedkar was geared towards social emancipation and social justice.
The stage is set for the grand start of the Gram Uday se Bharat Uday Abhiyan. The scheme envisages to generate nationwide efforts to increase social harmony across villages and strengthen Panchayati Raj. To run from 14th April, which is 125th birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, to 24th April, the Panchayati Raj Day, the scheme will be launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Mahou, the birthplace of Dr. Ambedkar. The entire campaign can be broadly divided into three parts. From 14th to 16th April, a social harmony program will be conducted in all Gram Panchayats. The villagers will honor Dr. Ambedkar and take a resolve to strengthen social harmony. The second phase will be from 17th to 20th April, where village farmer assemblies will be organized in Gram Panchayats and information regarding agriculture-centric schemes such as the Fasal Bima Yojana, Soil Health Card, etc. will be provided to farmers. Farmers' feedback will also be taken to further improve the government's outreach. A national meeting of tribal women Gram Panchayat presidents from 5th schedule areas of 10 states will be held at Vijayawada on 19th April, focusing on Panchayat and tribal development. The third and final phase will be held from 21st to 24th April. This will see various programs such as Prabhat Feri in the villages, programs on sanitation, cultural programs as well as sports programs will be organized. On 24th April, Panchayati Raj Day will be celebrated at Jamshedpur and the program will be attended by selected Panchayat representatives from across the country. Prime Minister will address the gathering on this day and the message will be beamed live to all villages in the country. Meanwhile, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has declared that the 11-day campaign will be further extended in the state.
ग्राम उदय से भारत उदय अभियान हमने मध्य प्रदेश में प्रधानमंत्री जी ने, भारत सरकार ने जो कार्यक्रम दिया है उसको ठीक ढंग से क्रियान्वित करने की योजना बनाई है। 14 अप्रैल से 31 मई तक करने का निर्णय लिया है। इस अभियान के अंतर्गत जनता जुड़े, जनप्रतिनिधि जुड़े, सामाजिक संगठन जुड़े, स्वयंसेवी संगठन जुड़े। कुल मिला के अभियान केवल सरकार का ना हो, जनता का अभियान है।
11-day program nationwide will go a long way in making villages self-reliant and self-sustainable. The campaign is yet another step by the NDA government that establishes its commitment and intent of farmer and village welfare. With Aditya Srivastav in Bhopal and Rajesh Raj in Mau, Newsnight Desk, DD News.